I'm Deborah Gregory. I was a senior attorney at the IRS. The purpose of an IRS audit is for the government to review an individual or business financial records to ensure that the information on the return is complete and correct. There are two types of audits that the IRS engages in: audits through the mail and audits conducted through an in-person interview. There are two common mistakes that people make when it comes to audits. First, people ignore the IRS, and two, people attempt to represent themselves in the audit. If you ignore the IRS, they will not go away. The IRS is required to give you notice when an audit begins, when an adjustment to your tax is proposed, and when collection activity is initiated. But if you ignore these notifications, the IRS is permitted to proceed from the audit stage to the collection stage, even if you choose not to get involved in the process. The second big mistake people make is attempting to represent themselves before the IRS. The IRS examines taxpayers every day. They have thousands of agents and attorneys that spend every hour of their work week getting more money out of taxpayers. Simply put, they are better at this than you. Add to this a tax code that has thousands of pages of very technical and confusing language, and the result is a situation where you are hopelessly outgunned. The best response to an audit or any dealings with the IRS is to act quickly and get competent legal representation. The earlier your legal representative engages the IRS on your behalf in an audit process, the better chance you have of resolving any dispute quickly and inexpensively. The longer you wait, the more trickier and costly the process becomes. Competent legal professionals understand this and will help you get through the audit process and on with your life. As a former IRS attorney, I have been on both sides of the audit process and know how to help you deal with the IRS. Don't fight the IRS alone. Let a former IRS attorney fight for you.